You ever get that sinking feeling where, you feel that your luck is going to run out? And I'm not one to believe in luck, but, things are going good for you. But then when you look at other people, they start developing health issues. Things might happen unexpectedly. And then you just wonder when your day is coming. And that sinking feeling basically comes in because not only do you have to wonder when something may happen to you and what it's going to be, but then looking at the economy now and everything that's going on, am I prepared to take the financial hit for whatever it's going to cost me for however long this unknown situation is going to happen? And it could be something as small as I fell and twisted my ankle, or I fell and somehow or another got a concussion. I picked up something while I'm cooking and I burned my hand, and I used my hands for work. How can I actually gain or continue to make money if I'm no longer able to work until whatever this fluke accident is healed up? And so that's where you reach out to me. That's where you want to get yourself covered. With TrueFire, we offer so many different products, and that's accident insurance. Exactly what we're talking about. When you think about some of the things that can happen to you, you want to have the proper coverage. A lot of us may have jobs and may be entrepreneurs nowadays. The rate of people in our economy now being entrepreneurs is sky high. But that also means the rate of people being properly covered is actually sky high as well. And you don't know how many times I've gone to hair salons or gone into body shops, places where people have to have their hands, have to have their legs, have to have their mobility, no matter what body part it is, to earn their living. And if one of those things goes out, and it will hinder you from working, which means it's going to hinder you from earning an income. So accident insurance is vital in that case. The things that I'd like to highlight for you is, again, it could be anything where a fluke of just going out and playing basketball or doing some type of activity and you get hurt. That's considered an accident. Picking up a pot and maybe using a cast iron pan and the handle is hot and you didn't put a glove on. You burn your finger, maybe a 3rd degree. It's going to hinder you from working. That's considered an accident. And again, what I'm talking about is supplemental insurance. It's not health insurance. It is supplemental insurance, which means it's going to supplement your income. If you should not be able to work, then you would be paid cash in place of you not being able to work. So it will replace your income. So sometimes it's a lump sum payout. Sometimes it's going to be a weekly or a monthly payout. That depends on the program, depends on the state you're in, depends on the company and carrier that you use and what their guidelines are, and the program that you choose as a policy to cover yourself. But those are all things that we can talk about. Again, I just want you to know that there is something out there for you in case you were wondering and you had that sinking feeling, because it's common nowadays for us to think about many of these things that maybe when we were younger didn't seem so important. But nowadays it just seems like as we're getting older, we get more clumsy. Things are happening, we're not thinking, life is busy, our minds are all over the place, and just fluke accidents happen. You want to have that accident insurance. So contact TrueFire. We're here to help. We have a plethora of carriers that can help you with those things. My name is JT. I'm always willing to help. And the link is below where you can reach me, or you can fill out a form and I will give you a call, or you can text me, and we can talk about how to get you covered the right way. Until next time.